How to fix Snapchat add friends something went wrong problem. So if you want to fix the Snapchat add friends something went wrong problem, then the first thing you need to check is to have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have an internet connection, then you can simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your data and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your connection, you can go with your Snapchat application, open up the application and go with add friends option, which is on the upper right. And from here, you can accept the friend request or you can simply send friend request. So what you need to do is simply go with add if you want to add someone, or you can accept the request. So once you have turned on your network connection, it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to your profile, which is on the upper left, and go with settings, which is on the upper right. Scroll down and here you will have an option of clear cache. Tap on clear cache and then tap on continue and clear the cache that you have on your Snapchat. And this might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Facebook application. Go with the app info option. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache and your problem might be fixed. And the next thing you need to check is if you have an update on your Snapchat. So open up your Play Store and you just need to simply go with search and search for Snapchat. Once you search for Snapchat, if you have any updates under your Snapchat, then make sure to update the application. And after updating, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Snapchat add friends something went wrong problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.